Hello aspirants, welcome to KK MathTuber Learn with Kiran sir. In this today video session, we will talk on the concept of quadratic equations for class 10th CBSE students. So I will be solving the MCQ questions, multiple choice questions based on this topics, quadratic equations. As you know that in quadratic equations, we have a concept of introduction part of the quadratic equations, how to solve the quadratic equations by factorization method, how to solve the quadratic equations by completing the square method, and the last concept is on nature of roots. So very important. Most of the MCQ questions will be based on the nature of the roots, and given equations following or the quadratic equation or not, so that you need to check it. So hope these videos will be helpful a lot, because as you know that according to the latest CBSE, as it has been revised for this academic year 2021 and 2022, MCQ questions are most important. So therefore, let's begin. Well, let's look at the first question, multiple choice question. So look at the question, the polynomial equation x into x plus 1 plus 8 is equal to x plus 2 into x minus 2 is. So option A, it is a linear equation, option B, quadratic equation, option C, cubic equation, option D is a biquadratic equations. So now we need to solve this. So then only we'll come to know whether it is a linear. Linear means the power of the variable x should be 1, quadratic, the power of the variable x should be 2, cubic, the power of the variable x should be 3, and biquadratic is the power of the variable x should be 4. So let's look at. So quickly note down what is the equation. X into x plus 1 plus 8 is equal to x plus 2 into x minus 2. तो अभी इसको simplify करो. So this implies x square plus x plus 8. So that is equal to, here you see that a plus b into a minus b, which is x square minus 4, a square minus b square 2 square, which is 4. So therefore, so now you simplified x square plus x plus 8, shift this to the left hand side, minus x square plus 4 is equal to 0, and you see that x square terms get cancelled, plus x square minus x square, what is left? X plus 12 is equal to 0. Look at the power of the variable x, which is 1, therefore which is the right option? It is a linear equation. You can easily observe option A is the right answer. So these kind of questions surely will be asked. But polynomial equations, whether it is a linear, quadratic, cubic or biquadratic. So क्या करना? Simplify करो and look at what is your simplest form of the equations. Then you can able to identify. So got it? Now down. So well, now look at the second question. The equation 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0 has two equal roots. Then the value of k is. So option A, plus or minus root 6. Option B, plus or minus 4. Option C is plus or minus 3 root 2. Option D is plus or minus 2 root 6. So what is given? The given quadratic equation has two equal roots. So now you have to look at the nature of the roots. So what does nature of the roots is? So when it has two equal roots, so first let us write what is the quadratic equation. 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. So quickly let us mention what is A, b is equal to k and c is equal to 3. For two equal roots, we know the condition that for two equal roots, b square minus 4ac has to be equal to 0. So that is what we have learnt in the nature of roots. If the quadratic equation has two equal roots, this is your discriminant d, which is b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So now apply the condition here. So b square is k square minus 4 times of 2 into c is 3, that is equal to 0. So this implies k square minus 4 into 3 is 12, 12 into 2 is 24. So that is equal to 0. So therefore, so what does it implies? K square is equal to 24. Taking square root on both the sides, you will get plus or minus root 24. So what is plus or minus root 24? So plus or minus root 24. 24 how will you split? 4 you can write it. 4 into 6 you can write it as, which is nothing but plus or minus 2 root 6, because square root of 4 is 2. So therefore, what is the value of k? It is plus or minus 2 into root 6. Look at the option. Option D is the right answer. So just you need to know the conditions for two equal roots. For two equal roots, the discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Look at the third question. If the equation x square plus 4x plus k is equal to 0 has real and distinct roots, so clearly mentioned real and distinct roots, then option A क्या है? K less than 4 inequalities, you can observe this. Option B is K greater than 4. Option C is K greater than or equal to 4, and option D is K less than or equal to 4. Right? So let us quickly revise, because here again the questions are of this form, real and distinct roots. As I said you, with respect to the nature of roots, what are the points which you have to know it? First, let us list properly. So the first point is, within this let us write down real. If it is a real and distinct root, if it is a real and distinct roots, so what is your discriminant? Discriminant b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. We said as strictly greater than 0. So दो roots होगा, maximum it can have two roots for a given quadratic equation. So now the second point is, if it is a real and equal roots, if it is a real and equal roots, then what does the discriminant says? D, which is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. In the last problem we observed this, real and equal roots. The third condition is that if no real roots, so what does the condition says? Discriminant is b square minus 4ac is less than 0. If it is less than 0, you don't get any roots for the given quadratic equation. In certain MCQ questions, you will get two real roots. That's all you can observe it. So what is the meaning of it? If two real roots means, it can be real and a distinct root also, it can be real and equal root also. In that case, the discriminant is b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to, you need to write down. For less than, anyway no real roots, so no need to write down for that. If it is of two real roots, therefore write b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0. So note down these important points. If you are not written, if you are not understood, now I think you can clearly understood this. So abhi look at the question now. Quadratic equation क्या है? X square plus 4x plus k is equal to 0. So quickly write down what is A, B and C. The value of A is 1, value of B is 4 and value of C is k. Real and distinct roots, therefore let us apply this quickly. This one, real and distinct roots. So D is equal to b square minus 4ac is strictly greater than 0. So b square क्या होगा? 4 square is 16 minus 4 into a into c greater than 0. So what happens? So 16 minus 4k greater than 0. So inequality symbol hai. So what you do is, I need to know where does k lies between. So minus 4k you shift it or add plus 4k on both the sides. Inequality sign will not change. Now divide 4 on both the sides. If you divide 4 on both the sides, so what will you get? So 4 greater than k, or what is the meaning of it? 4 greater than k in the sense k is less than 4. Either you can write this form or this form. Look at the option. K is less than 4. Option A is the right answer for this question. So hope you understand. For the inequality symbol, you need to clearly observe. So this point you need to understand. Minus 4k, you are shifting it to right hand side. Inequality symbol will not change. If you add any number, inequality symbol will not change, remain as it is. And you are dividing with a positive number on both the sides, there also inequality sign will not change. So that's the rule of inequalities. Therefore, in this case we got the value of k is less than 4. Option A is the right answer. So note down. Well, now look at question number 4. If 2 is a root of the equation, so what is the equation given? X square plus bx plus 12 is equal to 0. What is the equation hai? And the equation x square plus bx plus q has equal roots. then the value of q is, you need to find out the value of q. Option A is 8, option B is minus 8, option C is 16, option D is minus 16. So first, in order to prove the value of q or to find out the value of q, you need to know what is the value of b, right? So here you see that 2 is the root of the equation. So write down that equation first. X square plus bx plus 12 is equal to 0. So what does it says? 2 is the root. 2 is the root of this equation. So therefore, substitute x equal to 2. So 2 square, which is 4, plus 2b plus 12 is equal to 0. So therefore, this implies 2b plus 16 is equal to 0. So this implies 2b is equal to minus 16. Therefore, what is the value of b? The value of b is minus 8. So first we need to find out the value of b and substitute the value of b in this equation. So what is your given equation? X square plus bx plus q is equal to 0. So now look at that. B is equal to minus 8. Therefore, x square minus 8x plus q is equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation. Find out what is the value of a, b and c. The value of a is 1, b is minus 8. The value of c is q. So this equation has equal roots. For real and equal roots, for real and equal roots, what is the condition? We know that b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So apply it. Minus 8 square, that is 64, minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is q. So from here you can identify what is the value of q. So this implies 64 is equal to 4 times of q. So divide it by 4. So 4 ones are 4, 4 6 are 24. So this implies the value of q is 16. Option C is the right answer. So two equations given. First we got the value of b, which is minus 8. So how do we get? Because 2 is the root of this given equation. Substitute x equal to 2, you will get the value of b. And for this condition is real and equal roots. Therefore, we got the value of q is 16. Option C is the right answer for this question. So note down. So well students, now look at question number 5 and question number 6. So these questions for you students, you need to solve this and you need to comment on that. If the equation ax square plus 2x plus a is equal to 0 has two distinct roots, if option A says a is equal to plus or minus 1, so here I will write a is equal to plus or minus 1, option B a is equal to 0, option C a is equal to 0, 1 and option D is a is equal to plus or minus 2. So look at question number 6, the value of root of 6 plus root of 6 plus root of 6 and it goes on up to infinite. Option A is 4, option B is 3, option C is 5, option D is 3.5. And let us see that who will solve this question. So whoever solves, do comment on that which is the right option, and for the next videos their name will be taken. So that is for sure, because this is quite an interesting question. So go through both the questions. Quickly you need to, once you see the question, you need to comment which is the right option, and top 3 students names will be taken in the next video. So on this topic of quadratic equations. So hope you have learned the first video on this topic. So keep learning and keep watching. Do subscribe for more new videos related to class 10th CBSE students. So thank you everyone.